I'd like you to know first. But today really is a very better day for all of us. Also because this is the 5th time that we are celebrating what we call Family Land Reunion. And the first, we had it in Coronadal. I remember, some of you are here. We were only about 30 then, pagtungkol ang kami noon. And that was hosted by Jess, Mr. and Mrs. Jess Cortez. Where is Linda? Yeah, Linda. Yes. Yeah. You are credited as the, shall I say, pioneer in making this kind of gathering for the Marcelo Cortez family. Then we had the second one in General Santos City, and it was hosted by Mr. and Mrs. Raquel Jonion. Oh yes, she's not listening. And the third one was made in Davao City, particularly at where was that? Talomo. And that was hosted by Engineer and Mrs. Armando Marcelo Jr. Where is Letty? Letty's there. And of course, John, where are you? Yes, it's John. And the fourth one was held in Midsayat. It was hosted by Mr. and Mrs. Alberto Marcelo. Of course, yes, it's Alberto Marcelo. And where is Julie? Julie, ayan. Sila po ang nag-host ng 4th family reunion. And finally, my friends, mga kapamilya reunion, and we consider this as an honor. Honor at the same time an opportunity for us to hold this very, very important family affair. We welcome everybody. I hope that you will spend the best moments of your life by being with us in the next 24 hours today. I can say that everybody seems to be very happy for this occasion, including the kids. And this is a comparison. The first time we had it, as I told you, we were only about 30 in Coronadal. We came more in General Santos, and then in Davao City, Visayas. We gradually kept on rolling and rolling until the number kept on swelling. And today, my friends, I think the record shows that we are not about 90 or even more, or no less. So I have the opportunity to make a roll call. How many of you are from Laguna? Laguna. Jorge Canalizado is representing our relatives from Laguna. May I have that number? Now, the next is Marvel of Coronadal. Please raise your hands. Okay. Oh, okay. What about Jensen? Jensen. Baka naman ninyo. Yes. Yung nag-iisang bayan ng mga abusayap. Father Joy, Kanisado, where are you? Sabagay, hindi ka naman abusayap. Another one from Davao.
Davao.
Palakpakan natin. Davao and Bukidnon. Yes, Bukidnon. yes pala. Si Ami. Ami is from Manila. Oh. And another one. Isolan Manila. That's right. And then Canada. Nag-iisa. Bulacan. Nag-iisa. Pamangkin kita. Omar Marcelo yan. Pamangkin kita. Another one is finally Mlang. Mlang. Okay. Oh, maraming salamat po. Pampanga. Oh, yes. Terry. Pampanga. Girls. Sino pa? Sino pa? And we have also a very, very good celebration of Grand Family Reunion of the Marcelo Cortez family. Thank you. Mabuhay tayong lahat. May our prime interest.
Hello. I'm sorry. Uncle has forgotten Manang who co-hosted the Mid-Science group.
My apology. Where is Colin? My apology.